How to upload a PDF file to Wix website. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily upload any kind of PDF document to your Wix website. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Wix account first, then go to All Sites. And for the sake of the video, I'm just going to create a new site. I'm just going to import a template, so it's just going to be a random template. I don't want to continue with the chat or the AI. I'll just import one from the existing templates. So let's just continue. All right, so it's preparing my dashboard. So what I'm going to do is go to Design, and then I'm going to go to Design Site. Let's just pick a template. And then from here, you could just select anything. Let's just edit this one right here. All right, so once this is created, all you have to do is add a button to connect to their download PDF option. Now what you're gonna have to do here is just scroll down and add a button to connect your PDF to. So I'm gonna add it on top right here. So let's just add element and then go to button. Let's just select this download button right here, drag it, and then drop it on the top right. So let's just make it a bit bigger. Right, here you go. You could also edit the text inside the button. So let's just go to the link option for now. And then I'm going to link a PDF for here. Click on document, click on choose file. Now it will open up your media picker from Wix. Let's just upload our media here. You can do this from all of these sites like Wix, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, and others. I'm going to pick one from my computer. So let's just upload from computer. I have one on my downloads. So let's just go ahead and upload the PDF. Let's go to upload media. Let's go to upload from computer and find a PDF file here. So I'm going to go to downloads and documents. So see where you have your PDF file and then upload it. Now here I'm going to quickly select this PDF. And once you've done that, you can just choose this and then add to page. Let's just tap on done. All right, so when we preview the website like this, the download button will also show up. And if we click on it, it will redirect us to that PDF we've uploaded. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.